Fish and chips this time in the morning.
Have you gotten a girl yet?
Okay, real talk.
Oh. Good morning. It is currently 5:18 in the morning, and I am here today at a Class 390 Pendolino of anti-West Coast service to London Euston. I departed from Manchester Piccadilly. We are already past Stockport, so we're well on our journey here. And there's no better way to spend this journey than to do a mukbang with a Q&A. Actually, this whole thing is entirely set up by you guys. I made a community post where I asked if you had a mukbang on a train, what food should you bring, as well as Q&A questions. So I'll be taking a look at your questions, and as the questions get more intense, food gets also more intense. Yes, this is an ASMR video. So starting off as our first course of the meal, it's gonna be a very simple 7 days croissants. If you're Eastern European by any chance, you would be claiming on this right now, and that is a valid choice. I haven't had a 7-day croissant for such a long time. The smell is already coming off. Bon appetit. Very creamy. Okay, first question. How are you doing? I'm doing okay. I had a rough week. Doing YouTube at school is not the most easiest thing, and my circumstances aren't the best. But I'm just kind of living right now. I think that's a good answer to that. Where did you get your Christmas jumper from? I want it. Apparently this is a very popular question. The Christmas jumper from the Ranking Roblox train game video was bought on Amazon, but I have no other info. What other real life stuff are you planning to do? I quite enjoyed the Manchester Transport review. Will we see more of this kind of content? And if so, what other cities are you planning to cover? Well, I think number one, I would like to do more content like this where I could just like randomly sit on the train and then just yap and then eat food. That's fun. But in other serious stuff, I would like to make the transport review become like a series. The Manchester one was just the first of many. I'm planning to visit other cities around the country, but I'm also looking forward to do some international stuff too. I don't know, you might see transport review Japan sooner than expected. I guess other than the transport review stuff and mukbangs, just in any way that can make train content more entertaining. Because I have not been born with an interest of trains. I've always associated it with some dopamine activities. I want to do something else other than just like, you know, train spotting or whatever. I want to do something that's more unique. Yeah, I'm kind of excited for this new era. What is your editing software? DaVinci Resolve. I recently switched from Vegas Pro, but it kept crashing every time, so I actually had to switch editing softwares. So far, the DaVinci software is a very good experience. I highly recommend it, even if you're getting started. It's free. Okay, I'm finishing this croissant. So that was our appetizer, but our starter is gonna be a Tesco meal deal. Now the stuff I picked for this meal deal isn't really the most sane thing. I kind of feel like a psychopath buying these, but I just kind of wanted to explore, okay? So my main is gonna be a box of sushi. The snack for this is gonna be love raw, because I do love it raw. They even had to censor the word cream on it. And this is the worst part. I got a ginger shot. 100% vitamin C though, so this is better be worth it. I got no energy in me. I had 4 hours of sleep. Anyways, we're at Cruise Station, if you can see. Let's dig in. When did you get the idea to do transport videos? Early 2020, I played SCR like every day, and I also wanted to become a YouTuber, so I decided, you know what? Put one, we put the other, smash them together. That's the start of a career. I had that inspiration from many YouTubers I watched in my childhood. PewDiePie, Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, those were the main three. I also want to express myself. I think expressing myself as a content creator fits right into me. Have you been on any other transport in other countries? Yes, I have. I went to Paris's metro system. I went to Düsseldorf's tram system, the entirety of Lithuania's transport system, Lisbon's metro, Barcelona's metro, France's national train system, Spain's national train system, Eurostar. I think that's it. Oh god, there's soy on the table. By the way, if you want to know what my go-to meal deal is, instead of this, it would be a Southern fried chicken wrap, a Kinder Bueno, and an innocent smoothie. Comment down below how my meal deal is. Everyone likes to talk about meal deals. I think they're kind of overrated. Don't cancel me. Main meal's done. Right, let me try this. It's basically a vegan Kinder Bueno. It tastes slightly different. It's okay. Do you regret doing the snake challenge? I'm planning to do it at the end of the year because why not? It is mentally draining. It's gonna take a long time. It's gonna stress you out. You better have some physical activity before you get started. The snake challenge is not for normies, and you probably won't win anyway. Just saying. But I guess the snake challenge is the friends we made along the way. TFL or B network? I think this is an obvious question. It's TFL. It's not really fair anyway. TFL is more funded, it has a larger area, it has more important, cooler projects overall. So there's no competition. But B network has more enthusiasm. I'll admit that. The snack was okay. I don't think I'll buy this though, ever again. Okay, this is the one I'm kind of afraid of. The Flemish ginger injury shot. 100% vitamin C. So this is gonna be good for your skin. Bon appetit. I'm gonna have to do this in one shot, right? Whoa. Whoa. What is your favorite brand of pencil? What kind of question is that? I'm such a weak normie. I'm dying from this ginger shot. I mean, I think mine has to be, Stadler? Is that how you pronounce it?
Stedler. In English, it said Stedler.
Anyways, I'm done. I'm gonna throw this away. Now, the ultimate question that everyone's been waiting for. A Greg's sausage roll or a Greg's steak bake? I mean, it's okay. You can't go nothing wrong with a sausage roll. Now, I haven't tried the steak bake, so... This is a tough one. It's like the sausage roll. It's iconic. I'm gonna have to stay quiet on this one. I think I have to go with steak bake. I don't think this is a good idea to do this at nearly 6 in the morning. I'm gonna have to be respectful and do it full ASMR. Okay, so our next full meal. Fish and chips this time in the morning. Why not? You heard that? It is fish and chips. Now here's a fun fact. I've never actually been to a Jimmy before. I've never gotten proper fish and chips. So this is my first time actually trying them. Bon appetit. Annoying passenger on this train. Will you do a Persil review? What if I do it right now? Persil is a non-biological product that washes your clothes and pee cleans. This is a non-biological product. Scan this QR code on your screen now to get your free sample. Persil, washing up liquid. Can you name 10 Polish cities? Auschwitz. I'm not gonna fuck it up this time. Warsaw, Krakow, Białystok, Łódź, Katowice, Częstochowa, Szczecin, Lublin, Gdansk, and Bydgoszcz. I did not say Auschwitz. I realized this is kind of too much for me. I've ordered a lot of food. It was pretty good. It's a 7 out of 10. How would you like the best? You can have any train just by looking at the cab, or have immediate knowledge if operating every type of signaling system in every country. I think I'm too nerdy for number 2. I think I'm just going to drive every train just by looking at a cab. Who doesn't want that? It's so simple but so powerful. How tall are you? I'm 5'10". Do you see this? See? I'm 5'10". Okay, the next 2 dishes are very Chinese, I would say. Egg fried rice and chicken chow mein. I'll start with the egg fried rice. What the fuck? No, you're getting back in. There's clearly something wrong with you. Okay, let me at least try the chicken chow mein. Yeah, this one's okay. It is spicy though. Wait, what is the question? Shut up. Honestly, do you actually love Fentanyl? And if so, what's your favorite song? I wouldn't classify myself as like a true hardcore Fentanyl fan. I only listen to Fentanyl when I'm in a certain mood. So I do like her music. My favorite song would probably have to be Murder Everyone You Know. Would you rather get $1 or $2? If I get $2, I would give more money. But where am I getting the money from? I'm taking an advantage, but who is at disadvantage here? So I'll take $1. You get what I mean? How many passports do you have? I only have one, and that is my Lithuanian passport. I'm not even a UK citizen. I'm gonna get deported in about 3 years. Would you spend 24 hours with Leah? I already did. What school did you went to? Are you trying to stalk me? Why do you want to know that? I ordered way too much food. It's not that spicy. My stomach is not feeling this at all. There's probably something wrong with this food. That egg fried rice was from the same restaurant as the chicken chow mein. Maybe I should have one more bite. Okay, I can't answer this question. I think I'm gonna have to go with the most intense course of this mukbang. 2 times spicy bulldog noodles. Now I would have had the choice to make it worse with bulldog carbonara hot sauce, but I forgot to bring it in. And thank fuck I did. And while we wait for the bulldog to cook, let's answer some quick fire questions. Best TV show ever, Twinkling Watermelon is a really great K-drama. I'm in my K-drama phase, by the way, if you can't tell. Are you a penguin IRL? No, I'm not, and I'm not furry either. Are you a cat or a dog? I'm a cat.
Meow.
Are you a fanboy? Well, 50,000 subscribers, and I might be one. At what temperature does it become shalta? That means cold, by the way. I don't know, I guess it depends. Maybe... I guess 15 degrees is your answer. Can you buy a kebab, please? Well, I'm buying myself food instead. Why are you so British? I don't think I am. Holy God, I've left the bulldog sauce on the table. Wish me luck. If I have 7 fishes in my microwave, will my car grow balls on this windshield? Oh my head, what do you mean? His? Who's his? Yes. If you maybe have 6, you probably have more. And just trust me, less is more. Do you rather become a fanboy or a furry? I think I might take the fanboy one. I already made a promise, might as well just say it. What do you think about the retirement of the HST in 455? It's kind of sad. 455 was my local train, but we all know we had to go. I mean, it's a good exchange for the Ontario. People don't like the Ontario, but for me, I personally like it. And for HSTs, farewell. What kind of content can we expect from me for 2026? Not this. Marry a fanboy or marry a furry? That's a different context. Oh my God. I think I'm trouble sick. I guess marry furry, I don't know. Are you gay? I swear I have a high spice tolerance. Maybe this is my limit. Okay, real talk. I feel like everyone must have questioned their sexuality before. I mean, who hasn't? I have. A few times. I've come to a conclusion that I am straight. It's a very good question to ask yourself. We live in a world when it's hard to identify ourselves, so being very clear to yourself is very important. And don't let anyone talk you down about it. We are leaving Melting King Central, and I have 30 minutes until we arrive. I wish the sun rises at this time, it's so dark. Have you ever been on YouTube Kids? Also, have you ever done inappropriate content? Why would you put YouTube Kids and inappropriate content in the same comment? I would never consider doing inappropriate content, and I'm not an iPad kid. We're so close to the end of this. Would you rather live in Chernobyl or Asbestos Paradise? I'll probably live in Chernobyl rather than AI slop that I made 2 years ago. Do you have a girlfriend? Have you gotten a girl yet? Is Peng single? How many girlfriends do you have? Do you have a girlfriend? If you don't, get one. This feels like a live leak video. Come on, come on. Well, to answer your question, no, I don't have a girlfriend. I'm not really ready for a relationship yet. I'd rather fall in love slowly. Love always comes to you. And even if I wasn't single, I'd rather keep it private. Are you still doing SCR content? Are you planning to post on SCR content anymore? Will you ever come back to SCR in the future? SCR again? Ever? I am not doing SCR again. Well, I wouldn't say it will be strictly off SCR, but I'm definitely gonna stay away from the title SCR YouTuber from now on. I'm more than that. And this is proof. I'm a mukbang YouTuber now. Let me wipe my face. SEO's community won't last for a very long time, or at least in my generation, and it's very finite. There's not much you can do after you've milked every single thing you can do in SER. But I feel like there's a lack of authenticity to it. And I don't want to be seen as the SER guy for the rest of my content creation career. So I'm just basically broadening my horizons. More general content like this, and something people would normally enjoy. I want something that's more tailored to my personality, rather than just the content of SER itself, because they're following the content I show, but not me. And my content type becomes more dynamic, which can be an issue if I rely too much on SER. Anyways, I feel sick. I kind of regret doing this. I've destroyed my stomach for this, but thankfully I have a little celebration for this. A Dubai-style chocolate cake. I'm sorry if I wasn't able to answer your questions, if you weren't mentioned, but it is what it is. And to that, I say bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.